Hey, fifth grade, welcome back to library. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020, and it is your last day of library for this rotation. So I'll be sending an email, and you should get that, and that will just be a reminder that you're switching specials and you'll go back to music and art starting tomorrow. Anyway, today we are going to be taking another virtual field trip, and this time we are going to the Georgia Aquarium. And this is a very famous aquarium because it has this amazing fish tank where you can like walk through a tunnel and the fish tank is above you and all around you, and you can look up and see sharks and fish and all kinds of water creatures. So maybe some of you have been there. It's in Atlanta, Georgia. I have not been there, but it's definitely on my list of places to go. I think it's a really cool aquarium. So let's go ahead and see what we can find out by doing it virtually. So your lesson for today is to watch the video, which hopefully you're doing right now. And then here's the website I'd like for you to go to. Let it load. All right, so I had you go right to the animal guide page, and this is organized alphabetically, so starting with A, and then the B's, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to choose, let me see, what animal do I want to learn more about today? I hate sharks, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pick, what's this one? The blue spine unicorn fish, because that sounds exciting. So once you choose an animal, you can see it gives you a lot of information about the animal. And your assignment is attached. It's just a Google Doc. This is going to be very similar to the San Diego Zoo field trip. So put your name up here, your homeroom teacher. Let me write homeroom so you guys aren't confused. And then here's the website again to click on. So you're just going to type your animal name. So I would type unicorn or blue spine unicorn fish. And then the first question is their size. So how big are they? 27.6 inches. Oops. What do they eat? So I can go back and look. Coarse and leafy brown algae. Delicious. Range, that's where they're found in the wild, so like what area of the world they live in. So they live in the Indo-Pacific, which I'm guessing is like near Indonesia, that part of the Pacific Ocean. And then their habitat, so not their location, but their actual like type of place where they live. So channels, moats, lagoons, and seaward reefs. So that's interesting. And then if you want to, you're welcome to read more details about all of this type of stuff. The summary is up here, and that's all I need for the assignment. And then one fun fact. So as you can see, they have a big fact. Oh, I just pointed to my screen, but you guys can't see that. Okay. They have a fun fact here in bold. Unicorn fish are named for the bony horn on its face. Or if you want to pick a fact from one of these, you're welcome to do that. I like how they put their sources down here so you know that it's legitimate information. That's always helpful. You can watch it live. So this one is in the Indo-Pacific Barrier Reef webcam. So that's kind of cool. And once you are done with your animal, there are some other cool things. They have lots of webcams. If you go under the Animals tab and click on Webcams, they have the Sea Otter Cam, which I'm sure that's super cute. Gator Crossing, Beluga Whale, California Sea Lion, Piranha, and the Ocean Voyager. So let's just see. I don't know, it might not be on since it's still the morning time, but we'll see if we can find the otters. Maybe. My internet's being slow today, sorry. All right, so you guys can watch that on your own time. And then they also have like Aquanaut Adventure, Coldwater Quest. You can see some of the actual exhibits. Oh, there's one. It's on its back. So cute. I love otters. So yeah, feel free to just explore the website. There's a lot of cool stuff on here. If you finish early, you can always go back to the choice board and find something to do on there. Pop into Zoom if you have a question. Oops. Or if you just want to say hey. I always like to see your guys' faces and just catch up and see how it's going. So that is all for today. I enjoyed having you guys the past week, and I will see you again next time. Bye.